And cutting across to more reactions that are coming in on the Kathua rape shocker, because Sonam Kapoor has also now spoken out. She's tweeted, and I quote, "Ashamed, appalled and disgusted by fake nationals and fake Hindus. I cannot believe this is happening in my country." More and more voices speaking out for justice for Asifa and joining Republic TV's campaign, even as, of course, voices come out, the nation really coming together and demanding that action be taken immediately to ensure that the accused is put behind bars. This happens even as you're seeing some apologists, some trying to back the accused in this particular case, and now there is horror and shock across the country. This is now becoming a nationwide movement as well. Sonam Kapoor, the latest celebrity to tweet on this issue, demanding immediate action. Let's go across to Zenith for details on the Zenith. This particular issue, this horrifying rape and murder of an 8-year-old girl, is now resonating across the country, and everywhere the demand is just one: to ensure that justice is delivered, to ensure action is taken. This has also forced Mehbooba Mufti to come out and react, and she has very categorically stated that there is no question of any of the loose statements or actions being made diverting from the probe, and that investigation will be fast-tracked, justice will be delivered. But we now need to see them walk the talk. We need to ensure that action is taken on the ground as well.
Absolutely, Akshita. We have been seeing this kind of rape. This has shocked the entire community, and now this campaign that has been launched, Justice for Asifa, is gathering a lot of support. Now, not only the Chief Minister or the countrymen are talking about it, but now the celebrities have to join. Though we have been seeing the latest tweet was made by the Sania Mirza, and now Sonam Kapoor too has tweeted. This was the case. This was reported in the Kathua district of Jammu 2 months back, and Chief Minister that time also assured that the justice will be delivered. The case was transferred to the crime branch, and later they formed a sit who conducted the investigations, and later the people were charged, and the charge sheet was recently presented in the court of the law. And also the lawyers who tried to block the crime branch to put the charge sheet in the court, or a FIR was also registered against them. And now the Chief Minister has also tweeted that it doesn't matter who is going to say what and how the groups will react, but the justice will be delivered, and the fast-track investigations are taking place in the case, because this is a case of 8-year-old child who went on grazing on horses, and the horses returned and she didn't, and later the body was found, which was her body was found in the Raisan forests in the Kathua district, and the FIR was registered in the Hiranagar police station. She was not only abducted, but sedatives were given to her before, and she was raped multiple times, and later she was strangulated, as far as the forensic report is concerned. So the entire country is waiting. The justice is waiting for the justice, and when it will be delivered, because there has been a constant demand that all the accused in this case should be hanged publicly.
And the reality is, Zenith, while you got Mehbooba saying very clearly that there will be justice, and there's no question of any of these people who are making such loose statements, such irresponsible actions, that there's no question of them really delaying the law in this case. The reality is that we've seen lawyers who've come out to protest in favor of the accused actually trying to hamper with the investigation. They tried to stop the charge sheet from being filed in this case.